Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to open a live account on InstaForex. And for this we go to accounts and we click here on open live account. Then right here we select the type, the account category, and we want MT5. I like MT5 more than MT4. Then after this we do continue. Then right here you select right here just a normal ECN account type. Then from here we select the leverage. I don't want to trade with that much risk, so we do 101 and the currency is USD, so that is fine. Then from here we click on continue, and then right here you see here the confirmation like your account type, your leverage and your currency, and then right now we can do continue. If you want to change something, then you can click on back, but that is not important for now because we did everything correctly. So right now we click here on continue, and then we just created our account. Right here you can find the password, you can find here the leverage, you can find here the server login, and these are all the details that you need to have. Don't forget that they also send this to your email, so when you lost your password or your login, you can find it back in your email. So hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.